My AI receptionist broke today in the most annoying way possible because nothing looked broken. I've been working on a big upgrade for the AI where it can handle phone calls for contractors, capture the caller's information, and then push that information right into their CRM, pinging the contractor that they have a new lead. So I deployed it, I made a test call, and then it rang once and nothing happened after that. It just went completely silent. So I opened the logs expecting to see some big red glaring error because usually when something breaks, the system will at least tell you where to start looking, but there was nothing there. No errors, no warnings, no proof that the call actually hit my app in the first place. At first I read that as, okay, maybe the app is fine, but that's actually the issue that I should have caught sooner. Empty logs don't always mean that nothing is broken. Sometimes they mean that the request never hit your code in the first place, and that's what happened in my case. Which is actually kind of worse because the system can't even tell you where to start looking. The issue was one redirect. I had moved leadlocker.ai to the www version of it, and the phone system that I use doesn't play nice with redirects. For a human typing it into a browser, it works fine. They type in either version of the domain and they just get forwarded to the real one. But Twilio, the phone system that I use to hit my webhook and handle those calls, doesn't behave like a real browser. It got told that the old webhook moved and then it just gave up because it doesn't follow redirects like your normal browser does. So every call that came in and tried to hit my webhook just died before it even reached my app. The fix itself took maybe 2 minutes, but finding what to fix took me an hour, especially because the tool that I used did follow redirects, so the tool that I used to test it worked perfectly fine, but reality is where it broke. And that's the actual lesson. You can't just test the convenient version of the system, you have to test the real way that the thing behaves. So after I fixed the URL, I added a build check to the pre-deployment checks. So now if that webhook is ever pointing at something that redirects, it'll fail loudly at my desk instead of failing in production ever again. Luckily, my contractors are still on the legacy code, so nothing actually broke for them, but it was a valuable lesson to take home either way. And that's the part that I care about most. The real fix isn't just fixing the bug, it's fixing the bug in a way that it can never come back quietly in the future and doing that over and over again so your app gets hardened over time.